if you comment right there and leave a date that where you not even not you cannot fake your date in this. Use your real date like 2510, and I'll close this in 2026. I'll close it in 2025, the New Year's. And then I'll privately, like it's locked away. And then I'm gonna public it again, showing your comments. People who might have think you're a traveler or something. Subscribe. Bye bye.